Are you looking online for a reverse mortgage calculator? You're just kind of scoping the internet for you or a loved one, possibly, your parents maybe, who knows, to see what you might qualify for? Well, the truth is it's pretty easy information to get, and all you really need is a property address, a date of birth, and an estimated value. But you can't really get those numbers per se, like you yourself or even me as a mortgage broker, just online right then and there. We actually need to provide these numbers to a wholesale lender that does reverse mortgages, and then we can come back to you with different scenarios and options. Or else you can do it through one of the retail channels as well. But I find if you only sell reverse mortgages and you call someone that only sells reverse mortgages, the product may not be right for you, but what are they going to try to sell you, right? So I just want to make sure you're aware that when you're filling out information for that reverse mortgage calculator online, what you're really doing is filling out information for either one lender or perhaps even multiple lenders to be calling you to try to sell you a reverse mortgage. And if it's the only product these banks and lenders sell, like I've mentioned before, what are they going to sell you if the only thing they sell is a reverse mortgage? And it's a very special financing instrument, and it is not a good idea for some people and a very good idea for others. So you really need to be careful about that. So that's why I created FreshReverse.com from Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, president and CEO. And basically, you can go on that website, fill out that information. Yes, we're going to be contacting you, and we'll contact you with all the reverse mortgage options. And as a wholesaler, the fees and the rates are going to be better than the retailers out there. I can almost guarantee you. And we can present conventional options, home equity lines of credit, anything else. So you're going to get all your options in one place, and we'll decide whether or not it's a good idea. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and call me for your reverse mortgage. And I'm Garrick Wordmuller, president and CEO of Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people, and we are here to serve you. Have a great day.